Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace keycaps with an easy to use tool. The A and the S and the N key are worn out on my system. So what I'm going to do is I've got a brand new one. I'm going to swap this one with this one. First step is to get our key puller. And the way it works is it's got two little metal prongs on it, like here. And then we open these up. And then all I'm going to do is slide them over the key that I want to remove and lift it upwards. Position it over the key, open it up, and then push down, you'll feel it snap into place. And then once it's aligned, grab the solid part, pull it upwards, and the key will pop off. On the key, it's got a little X pattern. So on our keyboard, there's a matching X pattern. Get our new key and just place it on top and just push it down firmly, and then it will lock into place. And then do the same with the S key. I just pop it out. Comes out really easily. Not much pressure required. Push our new key in, and then give it a press down to make sure it's secure, and then do exactly the same with the other key, and it's job done. Our keyboard is now fully replaced.